Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Today I'm going to do a bloom spin. You can see from my spinner, I already did one and it came out really cool. I'm really excited, so I'm going to do another one. This is a little 8x8 canvas, and I'll show you the one that I did after this video. So I'm going to put my pillow paint down. Okay, and this is the pillow paint, house paint. And then I'm going to use my bloom mixture. And this one is Pebeo Violet Blue Iridescent. And then I have some primary elements mixed up here. And this one is Bloom, it's called. Okay. And then I have some deep magenta. Just gonna mix these up a little bit. And all these are mixed with your pouring medium that you make out of polyurethane and the paint base. Okay, and then I'm going to try this primary elements, and this is called, I'm not even sure what it's called. I'll have to look that up for you because I had this in the mixed from before. Okay, but it's like a orangey, tangerine-y color. So I'm just going to put some of that in there. Okay. And we'll put a little gold. And I think that's going to be it. And then I'm going to use my white bloom mixture. And this is Cell Activator, and this is floetrol. Amsterdam white, titanium white paint, acrylic paint, and like a few drops of wood conditioner oil. Okay. All right, so first thing you have to do is you have to blow on it, and for me to do that, I'm gonna have to do it like this. Okay. All right. Make sure it's down. And this is the fun part. You spin it. And this is a cake turner that I got off of Amazon. Let me spin it a little faster. Okay. So I think I want to go the other way now. I don't think I put as much paint on this one as I did the other one, because the other one just went, as you can see, all over. There we go. Oh, these are really fun. I don't know if you remember spin art when we were little. I do. I used to spin it. But you see, you make a very big mess. This is just a box that I made and put higher, or if you have a tub this size, but it does splatter everywhere. All right, this is looking pretty cool. I wonder if I should spin it the other way for a minute. One corner didn't reach, so oh, it's almost there. So I think if I spin it a couple more times, I could just add a little white there, honestly. All right. Wasn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? There's plenty of paint here. So I'm just touching up the sides that didn't get it. Oh, look how cool that is. Can you guys see that? All right, so see a couple bubbles. I'm just gonna pop them with my stick. You're not supposed to heat these up, but look at the lacing in here with the gold and the white. See if I can get it up. It does stick. There we go. So this is really fun. I'm gonna have fun using this. So I think I'm gonna do a series. So I did a purple one, and now this is my pink. I'm gonna do a rainbow series, all little ones. This is my purple one. It came out really pretty. Look at that. That one came out really pretty. Okay. So my art room is, I'm outgrowing it quickly. All right. So this is spin art with the bloom, with the Shelley bloom technique. Obviously you could do this with any technique, with any pouring medium, I would think. But I think with this one, it helps the lacing. It helps your cell activator to go over your colors, and you get some really cool effects, as you can see. My cake turner looks pretty too. All right, well, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers, and when I do, I will do a little giveaway to somebody. So please hit that subscribe button. All right, and I will see you next time with another video. All right, have a great one. Bye-bye.